So hello everyone, welcome back to my training, and in this video I'm going to show you two more powerful things that postscheduler has. So one of them is Spintax. When generating AI contents, if you're already a user of ChatGPT, then you know that once you are asking ChatGPT something, that actually generates a content with respect to that specific question that you have asked or the topic that you have said, right? It doesn't work with the Spintax. So obviously, when you are trying to schedule some post for the whole month, so that point of time, you obviously don't want that. Okay, I don't want to talk about the same thing, or I don't want to post same thing every day or in a week multiple times, right? So rather than doing so, if you want ChatGPT to create a different content for each day, that point of time you can use the Spintax, right? So that feature I'm gonna showcase. And another one is fixed content. So fixed content is what something ChatGPT has generated some content for you, but you don't want that content and you wanna regenerate the content but with some specific instructions. So how can you give that instruction, and how can ChatGPT understand that and then send you back the updated content, right? So check out the full video to understand how those two feature works. Now to showcase you those are create page where I'm scheduling now. I have to select a date and time. Suppose this I'm selecting from tomorrow, and then this time is for UTC time, and selecting where to post, selecting repeat option, and I wanna schedule it for like 5 repeat posts. Okay, so total 6 posts will be created, and then let me type here the prompt with Spintax. So if you hover on this, then you will understand that what exactly it is telling you, or which format that you need to use to generate the Spintax, and basically like how you can use the Spintax, right? So let me type in the content that generate a basically Facebook post with postscheduler, then pipeline, render, then pipeline, frame connector, then again pipeline, and then suppose frame disconnector, then pipeline, then suppose birthday wisher, and then I'm saying that these all are Chrome extension. Follow my branding. Also add 2 new lines after each sentence. Okay, and now if I generate, then you will see that one of those software name actually has been selected, and then ChatGPT is giving me the data for one of them, and now I can see that unfriend means friend disconnector. So it actually picked the friend disconnector first, right? Okay, so I can go with this content, and if I want I can schedule this, and you can see total 6 posts will be actually generated. Why? Because the one that we have selected the date and time, that is our initial one, and then after that we have also selected 5 repeat posts, so total 6 posts it will create, right? So now you see that it actually have taken the friender. So the very first day it will be posting about friend disconnector, the very next day it will post about friender, right? And the very next day again it will actually means will post for friend disconnector again, because that only it actually have picked and it sent out to ChatGPT to get the content. Now you can see that this actually is means so much of content is there, so you can either go ahead with this, or you can also fix the content. Like suppose for an example that Are you tired of manually searching potential clients on LinkedIn? Now, we are not going to work with LinkedIn. Means Friender doesn't work with LinkedIn. Right now works only with Facebook, right? But the content is very good, right? So what we can do is we can click on fix content, where we'll be actually removing this LinkedIn with Facebook. So here you can tell the instruction to ChatGPT that replace all LinkedIn text with Facebook and return the content. Okay. Now if I do, then we are actually sending another instruction to ChatGPT that hey, remove that LinkedIn, in place of LinkedIn, place Facebook and return us the content, right? So here basically, like you can see that this is now related to postscheduler, where it actually have given us all of this content, and also it has actually followed the branding that I have actually asked him. And obviously post scheduler is also fine for me because I wanted to post, so I'm scheduling it. And now here you see that are you tired of manually scheduling a Facebook post, want to save time? So this is also about post scheduler, so I can also schedule it. And now here you see the content was LinkedIn earlier, and it is now replaced with Facebook. So everywhere you will see that everywhere wherever LinkedIn word was there, those are now replaced by Facebook, and the content actually is back. So I can then schedule it. Now once I'm scheduling it, once I'm on this page, I can refresh the page and I'll be able to see all the posts that has been created for me for basically upcoming 6 days. And also by these icons I'll be able to see that which one is the parent post, which actually is the repeat post that we have created. And all these icons will tell you that these all contents are generated through AI, which means I can easily go back in and then I can easily regenerate those content through AI only. I hope you understood how you can actually use a Spintax to generate more unique content for your whole week or month or years of data, as well as how you can fix the content while actually going on the fly, right? So if you have any question, please let me know and I'll get back to you with more answers. Okay, thanks for watching.